Good morning students. Welcome to online classes of Sardar Patel Inter College Jharoli phase 2. And here I am with another video number 12 related to exercise 3D. In last video I have told you about cross multiplication method. When I see next exercise, so in next exercise there are few sums of cross multiplication methods. Then if you want to practice that, you have do cross multiplication method very properly. So for practice you can take exercise 3B or 3C, some questions which have you solved from substitution method and elimination methods. Okay dear students, mean is that in last two exercise 3B and 3C we have solved all the problems by substitution method or elimination methods. But I have told you last day cross multiplication method, but the cross multiplication method sums in your books are not sufficient. There are few questions in exercise 3D. Exercise 3D has a mix, a miscellaneous exercise. There are some types of some other types and some sums are other types. Okay, so if you want to judge that what can you solve these type of questions, so you can practice it from previous questions. Okay, because the answer will be the same. If you solve elimination method, if you solve by cross multiplication method, if you solve by substitution method, the answer will be the same. If you want to practice, so you can take previous questions. Okay, now I am here with exercise 3D and here I am telling you some 2-3 questions of exercise 3D. How can we solve it? Let's start video. In exercise 3D, the question number first is that determine the value of k for which the given system of equations has infinite many solutions. I have told you 3 conditions. The first condition was the unique solution, the second condition was the infinite solution, and the third condition was no solution. You got it? Okay. Then revise it and then solve this exercise 3D. And the first question, the two equations are 4x plus 3y is equals to 3 and x plus 2y is equals to 5k. Okay, we are solving these equations for the value of k. Okay, because the question is saying that determine the value of k for which the system of equations has infinite many solutions. So then copy the last line. Given system equations has infinite many solutions. Okay students, I have told you what is the condition for infinite many solutions. The condition is that a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. Okay students, I have told you what is the condition for infinite many solution. This is the condition. Now put the value of a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 and find the value of k. Let's see. a1 is 4, a2 is 8, b1 is 3, b2 is 2 and c1 is minus 3 and c2 is forward here then minus 5. Okay, any problem? Because this term is here constant term, to be forward it from here, so then that will be negative sign, and this is forward here, that will be negative signs. Okay students, that will be cut. If you take this and this, the value of k will be the same. If you take this and this, the value of k will be the same. Now we'll try. That will be 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Then that will be when 1 by 2 is equals to 3 upon 5k. Cross multiply, 5k is equals to 6, so k is equals to 6 by 5. Okay, if you want to judge from here, then that will be when 3 by 2 is equals to 3 by 5k, and that will be okay. This is the 3 2 जा 6 is equals to 15k, then k is equals to 6 by 15. 3 2 जा 6, 3 5 जा 5, k is equals to 2 by 5. Oh yeah. So the two values are possible in this question. K is equals to 6 by 5 and k is equals to 2 by 5. Okay. This question has two solutions of value of. Okay, sorry, I have some problem because this question here is I have 3, but this question is only y. So please, there is a mistake. This is only y. This is only y. Then the value of this is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. So that will take, if we take this and this is the answer. If we take this and this, then that will be the 1. And that will be, I am again solving. 5k is equals to 6. Then k is equal to 6 by 5. Okay. You got it? Because this was the mistake. Here I put 3, but there is only 1 in this your question. Okay, this is the method. This is the point that we will remember, that infinite many solutions, unique solutions, or no solutions. Applied that and solve the value for k. Okay. The next question is, prove that there is a value of c for which the system this and this has infinite many solution. Find this value. So you should find the value of, you will solve the value for c. Condition is same. This is the condition. Put the value of this and find the value of c. If you have any problem, you can ask me. If the question number, talk about question number 3, determine the value of k for which a given system of equation has infinite many solution. That is the method. That is the method. Infinite many solution. Question number 4. When a system of linear equation is said to be consistent. Okay, consistent. I have told you, consistent. The equations which has some solution are unique solution or infinite many solutions are the consistent, and that will be the one condition that which has no solution. So that was inconsistent. So this question, when a system of linear equation is said to be consistent, find the value of k for the which given system is consistent. So yeah, in this question we know that the consistent was the two equations. The first was unique solution, that was the consistent, and second was the infinite many solution, that was the consistent. So then question number 4 will solve for 2. That is, the first is in question number 4 for the consistent solution. For the consistent solution, we first put that a1 upon a2 does not is equal to b1 upon b2, and the second is a1 upon a2 b1 upon b2 c1 upon c2. Okay, so in question number 4 we are applying to these equations. For the consistent, a1 upon a2 does not is equals to b1 upon b2, and second a1 upon a2 b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. So in question number 4 we find two values of k, first from here and second from here. Put the value of a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2. Here is the answer will be does not is equals to, and here is the answer will be equal to. Okay, if you have any problem then you can ask me. So you can do yourself till question number 5 or question number 6, maximum questions. Okay, then next video I will tell you from question number 7 or question number 8. Then meet me in video number 13. I am finishing my video. Let's see you in next video. Thank you.